Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an Apple ID, fast and easy account setup step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or web browser has a stable internet connection. If you are on iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap Sign in to your iPhone at the top. Tap Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it to start the setup. Choose Create Apple ID and confirm you want to make a new account. Enter your first name and last name exactly as you want them on your Apple account. Select your correct birth date because Apple uses it for account security and recovery. Tap Next and choose your email option. Either use your current email or get a free iCloud email. If you use your current email, type it carefully because it becomes your Apple ID username. If you choose iCloud email, pick a clean address and check that it is available. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you can remember. Confirm the same password again to avoid typing mistakes. Select your country or region correctly because it affects billing and available services. Read the terms and conditions and tap Agree to continue. When asked, enter your phone number for verification and choose text message or phone call. Type the verification code you received to confirm that the phone number is yours. If you used an email address, open your email inbox and find the Apple verification message. Enter the email verification code on the device or web page to confirm your email. Set up security questions if prompted, and pick answers you will remember exactly. Turn on two-factor authentication if it is offered, because it greatly improves account safety. Choose whether you want to share analytics or not. Then continue. If you are on a Mac, open System Settings. Click Sign In, and choose Create Apple ID. If you are using a Windows PC or Android, go to Appleed, Apple.com, and click Create your Apple ID. Fill in your name, region, birth date, email, and password on the website form. Complete the CAPTCHA or security check if the page asks for it. Verify your email and phone number with the codes sent by Apple. After creating the Apple ID, sign in to the App Store or iCloud to test that it works. Add a payment method later in Settings or Apple ID if you want to buy apps or subscriptions. If you prefer no payments, choose None when available and still use free apps and iCloud features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.